Hey everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs on the back. Now rotate it on the alternative sides like this. So here we will take the hairs from the right side and fix it on the left side using the hair styling tool. Now take all the hairs and make the plaits on it like this. Take the hairs and join it one by one. After it is done, fix it by rotating it upward and fix it on the right side and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back or the top like this. Now rotate it. After that, we will pull out the hairs from the sides as shown in the video. Now divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on the left side. Roll out the hairs from the sides like this. After that, fix it till the end. Follow the same process for the other side as well. After that, roll it upward and fix it like this. Fix it properly. Keep rolling it another way like this. Follow the same process for the other side and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs. Take the hairs from the sides and fix them into each other like this. After you're done, fix the hairs. Now tie all the hairs together. Now divide it in the half. Roll the hairs from the sides, tie it and fix it and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. After that, divide the hairs into two parts. Now make the plaits on the hairs as shown in the video. After that, follow the same process for the other side as well. Fix it and then roll it on the alternative sides and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it from the between and then rotate it. Now fold it upward and make a heart-like shape. Now divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on the hairs like this. Follow the same process for the other side as well. Now we will fix the hairs upward by rolling it. Tie it properly on the alternative sides and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. After that, tie all the hairs together as shown in the video. Divide it from the between and then roll it upward to make the bun. Fix it like this and your hair bun is ready. Next, tie the hairs, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Fold it upward like this. Repeat the process for a few more times. Now join the hairs at the end all together. Divide it into two parts. Make the plaits. Fold it upward and it's ready. Thanks for watching.